We are now having 40,000+ new cases a day. I would not be surprised if we go up to 100,000 a day if this does not turn around.
One of the nation's top doctors warns how coronavirus cases could grow to 100,000 a day nationwide if Americans do not start following health guidelines. This comes as more than 30 states, including Texas, are reporting a troubling rise in COVID-19 cases. Today, Texas is reporting nearly 7,000 new cases and 21 new deaths. The surge causing concern about the state's medical facilities and if they can handle the increase in patients. Doctors in the Texas medical centers say there are still thousands of hospital beds available to treat patients after some reformatting of their data. Chris Costa explains why doctors say in order to avoid tapping into those extra beds, we need to be extra careful in our daily lives.
Doctors in the Med Center label our ICU beds in phases. Phase 1 is the base level of ICU beds when we're not in a pandemic. Those are almost full. Still, there are hundreds of beds left in phases 2 and 3 before our hospitals and the staff reach a crisis level.
For the next 2 weeks, we are nowhere close to being in trouble.
Doctors in the medical center say they have a plan if the number of COVID-19 patients in hospital ICUs increases.
Moving into phase 2 is not a bad thing. That's an expected thing, and hospitals can manage well within that phase 2.
More concerning to doctors is the positivity rate, the percentage of people who test positive for COVID-19 every day. That number keeps climbing. Even though more people are getting tested, more of those people are testing positive.
That shows the concerning growth of the virus in the community, so a real problem.
If the positivity rate keeps climbing, then the number of beds will be a concern.
We're really concerned because even the largest medical city in the world has its limits. We're 4 times more likely to get COVID now than we were back in May and April, and the answer is absolutely yes.
Doctors say the advice is the same. Wear a mask, wash your hands, and stay 6 feet away from people. For this July 4 holiday weekend, they're encouraging people to only celebrate with people in their household. In Houston, Chris Costa, KHOU 11 News.